We have 3 general production speeds for CNC machined parts. Let's take a look at each of them. Our 3 working day express production speed is ideal for parts with tight timescales. Express parts are made on our 5-axis machines and must fit into the billet sizes shown. Parts can be machined in aluminium 6082, acetal black and natural, and clear acrylic. Machining tolerance is plus or minus 0.1 and H7 for hole tolerances. We offer a basic visual to CAD inspection for express parts. If you need finer dimensional tolerances, then please give us a call so we can discuss your exact requirements. Our standard 7 working day production speed is ideal for projects without tight timescales. Parts are produced on one of our 3 or 5-axis machining centers. We hold stocks of the most commonly specified metals and plastics, such as aluminium, stainless steel, acrylic, and acetal. Our economy production speed is 12 working days. This is ideal for projects that do not have tight time constraints or may have budget limitations. We offer several post-machining options for CNC parts. In-house, we vapor hone all suitable CNC parts to give a cosmetic, aesthetically pleasing finish. We also offer wet painting and manual polishing, where parts can't be vapor honed, for parts made on our standard and economy production speeds. We also subcontract anodizing, powder coating and plating to local specialists, although we can work with your own preferred supplier, should you have one. If you have any questions, please contact us.